It is Friday and I'm off of work. I've got a new mic placement. I'm going to try. See how it does. If it does any better. I also took my first video I did was in super wide. I changed it to just regular wide, 1080p, 60 frames. We'll see how that looks. If it looks any better. So I said I work at a TV station. About 30 minutes ago, had a car almost go through a subway right down here on the left. I think they got everything cleaned up. Shouldn't be a problem, but I saw some of the footage. He didn't make it quite all the way in the building, but he sure did try. I'm saying he, it could have been his name, but thing is, the subway is only been open a few months. It took them forever. It was old. It was a different business, and they remodeled it and changed it into a subway. And it took the people forever to open it up, and now this happened. So we'll see how long it takes them to get it fixed. I don't know if they can. How bad? If the damage was bad enough, they had to actually shut it all the way down after the day. I'm sure it's shut down now because yeah, there's still a cop car sitting there. I guess it's, yeah, it's right. I doubt y'all can see it, but yeah, I can see where the building's damaged. Behind that there's a black car sitting there, but it had to have been, I'm saying it had to have been somebody that got confused and hit the gas instead of the brake, because there's no way a car off the street could go that way. It definitely hit it good though. Today's been a pretty crazy day. We had a big water main break on one of our main roads that goes through town here. That's the way I normally go home, but I wanted to do a little bit of testing on at interstate speed, so I'm going around the back way of the interstate. That's probably going to cause a lot of havoc for people trying to get home this evening at 5. It's actually about 4:30 right now, so and then I heard that the detour they had everybody going on, there was a car wreck there. Hold on, guy. And I'll tell you, when you're coming up to a car that's waiting to pull out and you see the front tires move, that's always, I was always told to look at, don't look at them, look at the wheels on the vehicle. If you see them starting to move, he started to roll a little. Anyway, well, looks like we got traffic backed up here too. We're back going now, headed south on 165. These early videos have just been around town. That'll change in the coming weeks. Like I said, I got to get some new tires, so I'll start back on my bigger trips and everything, taking it along with me. See how the wind's going to do. I'll tell you, with all the stuff going on in Louisville, maybe backed up here on the interstate. Over and get in the middle lane. It's a pretty warm day today. Hopefully the audio is a little better, not as drowned out as it was yesterday. trying a bunch of different things. I did a couple other tests that didn't turn out good. We'll see how this one does. See this one turned out good. Traffic usually starts slowing down right through here, so got people trying to get over. Trying to let them in. Those people saw me, unlike a lot of people. You gotta watch it through here. It'll come to a dead stop in a heartbeat. Looks like we're pretty clear up there. He's got this 18-wheeler slowing everybody up. I'm doing 45 and 60 mile an hour zone. Stay here. There's a lot of traffic coming up around me. I'm actually getting ready. That's our one of our big hospitals here. We're actually getting ready to go over the Washita River. Pretty good sized river. We had some flooding here in the past few months, but it's getting better now. But we made the national news there for a few days with all our flooding. Now it's pretty much been in Texas the last month. I need to get over in the right lane. That was pretty easy then. I was worried it might get backed up here, but everything's good so far. Got a lot of wind coming off that truck. People don't understand that you've ridden on a motorcycle. Feel it somewhat in a car, but nothing like you do on a motorcycle. The wind coming off these big trucks, even a nice size SUV has a lot of wind coming off of it. It's here. Get here on my exit. This is where I got on the interstate on my first vlog. Always fun trying to merge in here too. Most people getting off here want to try and get in that left lane, so it gets a little tight here sometimes. Just wait till I get to that light, then I'll usually move over. Tell you, with it being so warm today, it's these lower speeds you gotta ride with your visor open. It's really hot. We didn't hardly have any winter this year. Probably 10 days maybe where it was in the 20s, and that was it. I rode pretty much all year. There was a couple of weeks I couldn't ride, but it was mostly because of rain, not the cold weather. This light's probably going to take about 3 or 4 times to get through it. I got to make a left up here at this light. These people will go. See if I can get lucky. I may get lucky. Some of them would turn. Roughest roads around here. It's not too bad in the left, but in the right, oh man. And of course, everybody's flying through here. test did. Hopefully it's good. And I'm going to try and get some tomorrow during the MDA poker run. Probably need to ask everybody if they mind being filmed, though. I don't want to film it if they don't want to be, so I'll talk to you later.